Lovely and nice. Welcome back with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Normally we do juice, healthy recipe, and also weight loss drink also. Anyway, one thing I'm gonna make you today, I'm gonna make you a nice lovely drink. First thing, I'm gonna put some frozen ripe banana. That's roughly 1 finger of banana. That's the frozen one, guys. That's the one you can freeze when you're at home. Next, 1 handful of spinach. Get that straight inside of it. I love my spinach, as you can see. I'm always doing spinach. Piece of ginger, I'm gonna remove the skin. Alright, as you can see, that's the ginger. Lemon. I'm going to remove the skin of this lemon and I'm going to cut it up inside the half of a lemon, straight inside of it. Up some ice, which is a must. 1 apple, remove the skin. And cut it up very small. Just want everything to hold. Then honey. I'm gonna do roughly about 2 teaspoons. Lovely. Orange juice. About half glass of orange juice. Cover. And we will blend for about 4 to 5 seconds. Nice and lovely. Just finish, blend it. Give it a shake. Remove the cover. And simple. Pour in. Lovely and nice. As you can see, really good, healthy green smoothie with a lot of ice and banana and ginger and lemon. Good to go. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and see you next time. This is from Chef Ricardo and the team. Bye bye. Nice and lovely. Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo juice bar. Anyway, today we want to make you a nice and lovely healthy drink, which is going to be broccoli, apple, ginger and lemon. First thing, I got roughly as you can see, a bowl of broccoli washed off already, and all I'm going to do is put it straight inside of my Ninja smoothie blender like this. Nice one, exactly what we're looking for. Then we're going to pour some water. Then half an apple, green apple. Piece of ginger. Lemon. Squeeze that lovely juice in it. Get all of the flavor. And then cover. and blend for about 4 to 5 seconds. Nice one. So basically, finish. And we shall pour them out. Oh, that smells really lovely and nice. And that's a lovely broccoli drink. So hopefully guys will like the recipe and subscribe to the channel. As I can see, fresh, looking lovely and nice. You can drink this in the morning and also in the evening, also in the day. Broccoli drink. If you want to put a little bit of honey, it's up to you, but natural way is the best way. Thank you so much for tuning into my show, and this is Chef Ricardo Juice Bar. See you next time. Bye bye.